Hi, today in front of you Realme GT2 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to play connection and sharing. Here you'll see NFC section and just to activate NFC or to turn it off we should use this switcher. If you want to change the payment method, if you get the another payment app, not only Google Pay, you can switch it here. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just open notification panel shortcuts and somewhere here you should find NFC icon. So just to activate or turn off NFC, we should click on this switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.